Hello and welcome, I'm Silverholic. This is a follow-up video concerning the raid that we did on March 14th, where during a live stream we went on Silver Gold Bull and other online dealers and purchased some silver to help the silver squeeze movement in March. I'm going to be showing you some very nice pieces of silver that I received in the mail today. Right, so this is the package. Gonna have a look at it together. So the order was placed on Sunday night, which was the 14th. And I received it this morning, and we are on the 18th, so it took about 4 days. Right now, Silver Gold Bull is advertising that they're shipping within 10 to 15 days, but in my experience, that has never been the case. Even though they say that on their website, it's always much faster than that to ship for them. Usually they ship within a day or two. The default carrier that Silver Gold Bull uses is UPS. If you are going to order from Silver Gold Bull Canada, I strongly suggest you ask them to change that to Pure Later. I've had nothing but bad experiences with UPS, and I've never had any problems at all with Pure Later. If you did watch the live stream, I went on all of the Canadian dealers and tried to find the best prices and the best availability for the items that I wanted. And as it usually happens, Silver Gold Bull usually has the best choice and they have the lowest cost for shipping. So for small orders like the one I just did, they're usually the best place to purchase. There are other very good dealers in Canada, but their minimum requirements for free shipping is higher, usually 400, 500 or more. So it does make sense if you're going to make a large purchase. Sometimes the fact that the price of the products might be lower at other sites would overcome the fact that the shipping is more expensive or that you need to purchase more. One of the things I really love about Silver Gold Bull is that they always include chocolate in the order, so I think that's a very nice touch. So the first item that I received, as you can see, is from Australia. Let's zoom in on this. So Australian coins from Department are always spectacular. Their proof finish is really good. And in this case, the reverse is reverse proof. So this is the 50th anniversary of the moon landing. Just a striking coin. So 1 ounce, 4/9 fine silver. Let's look at the next one. So I pretty much stopped stacking this year. I've only purchased for my collection. So I've purchased maybe 200 ounces for my collection since the start of the year. I wasn't sure it was the coin I wanted. I wanted the coin that was minted by Mike Maloney's company. And it turns out it is. So if you look at it, you can see that it says goldsilver.com. So that's Mike Maloney's company. So free markets for free people. It's a very nice coin. It's Pegasus. With the word freedom on the obverse. Now the next one. So we can tell that this is a British coin. And this is the Valiant coin. So basically this is a design that you'll find on the gold sovereign. And they finally made a silver version of it. So this coin is the 1 ounce version, and they also have a 10 ounce, which is really beautiful as well. I think the Royal Mint has been putting out a lot of really great designs in the past few years, starting with the Queen's Beasts. Now this one is a Canadian coin. This is a little bit different, so it's 1.5 ounces. They have a whole series of these special weights like 3/4 ounce, 1.25 ounces, 1.5 ounces. And this one is an eagle in flight. A really nice addition to my collection. And they've decided to put this one out at a value of $8. Really curious to see if there's a reset of the economy, if this will be the real value of the coins, like if $8 is going to be worth like $45 or whatever it is right now, 50, something like that. Now another coin that I already had, this one is the silver version. I have the 10th ounce gold coin from the Battle of the Coral Sea. I've already talked about this coin earlier in a prior video, where the Battle of the Coral Sea was a carrier battle, and they decided to go with a battleship on the coin. So I would still love for someone to explain that to me. So this is the 1/2 ounce. Another very nice design. And this is the coin that completes my Bird of Prey series. So this is the bald eagle. And as you can see, it's holding a fish in its claws. Another very nice design. So this is a 4-coin series. I just started collecting them and I have them all already. And for the next one, another great design. So the Statue of Liberty, this is a round. And this one is in Cuse, so the relief is indented inside of the coin, so that's pretty cool because I don't have many like that. Actually, I don't think I have any. I know that there's a maple leaf that's in Cuse, I don't have it. I might have a gold coin that is, though. I believe my half eagle might be an Incuse one, so I'll have to look at that later on and let you know. So during the raid, basically I went on, I believe, something like 10 or 12 bullion dealers, looked at the prices and the products available on each, some in Canada and some in the US. So the idea was to get the participants and myself to purchase some silver in order to put some more pressure on the silver market. What we're trying to do basically is overwhelm the COMEX for delivery. So the more physical silver that leaves the market, because it's going to increase the demand on the COMEX for physical silver. And if they have to start delivering silver instead of just trading paper, this is going to put a lot of pressure on the shorts and the people that are manipulating the market. So the goal is to break that control. I know some people don't like the fact that the premiums are high. I personally believe that the real price of silver should be around $100. I did the math a few months back, and I believe I came up with 123 or something like that, Canadian dollars. So that would be around $100 US. Right now, there's a 25% gap in terms of exchange rate. So 123 Canadian would be roughly just maybe $99 US, something like that. I believe that would be the true price of silver. So if you haven't watched the video, I encourage you to do so. And as usual, if you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. This way you're going to be informed every time I post a new video. I try to put one video out per week. If you did not get the chance to watch the live stream, I have posted it as a video as well on the channel, so you can access it if you want. I'm going to put a link right here. Also, if you like this type of content, please use the like button. This informs YouTube that you like that stuff, so that they're going to promote the videos to you, and it helps the channel at the same time by letting them know that it's content that you enjoy. And finally, if you know people that are not part of the Silver Squeeze movement yet, please share this video. This might motivate them to join. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.